think I broke apart on the Paper Army tank. There we go. Hey, everybody, thank you for posting likes. And there's a little pilot inside there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not because it's very difficult. But anyway, I went with Rick Sanchez and Morty to a micro galaxy. And while I was there, we hired some pilot for the TIE bomber, the TIE fighter, Darth Vader's wingman, and a pilot for Vader's craft. And so I got little pilots in all of these. And they're cheap, you guys. They work on micro wages. Yeah. There's no Easter eggs on any of the TIE fighters. I only have 3 Easter eggs. I have one on the Zaku Gundam, I have one on the Star Destroyer, and I have one on the Klingon Bird of Prey. And honestly, the hardest one to see is probably the Bird of Prey. You're a galaxy away, a long, long time ago. Star Wars is what this is. All right, I'm going to go back to building, I think. Yes. Yes. Abrams tank. Uh-oh, I need that back. That can't go anywhere. You blow on stuff when you work with paper and it disappears. This is an M1A1 Abrams tank. Here. Hinges? This has no hinges in it. Unless you want to. This, I guess, would be the only hinged piece, is this tank barrel. But it does have its tow cable is removable. And it has a tow hook right back here.